In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google AI Summaries in Gmail on desktop. If you prefer a clean, classic inbox without AI-generated overviews or suggestions, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to switch them off. Start by opening Gmail in your desktop browser and signing into the account you want to adjust. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. That takes you to the full settings page. At the top, make sure you're on the General tab. This is where Gmail keeps most of the everyday controls. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Smart Features and Personalization. This control covers features like AI Summaries, Smart Compose, and Smart Reply that analyze your email content to provide suggestions and overviews. To turn them off, uncheck the box in this section. When you do, Gmail will prompt you to confirm and may display a Turn Off and Reload button. Click that button. Your inbox will refresh, and it can take a few seconds. After the page reloads, you may see the same prompt again, depending on your account's configuration. If you're asked to confirm once more, click Turn Off and Reload again. Once Gmail finishes reloading, the AI summaries at the top of messages and other related smart features should be disabled. If you don't notice changes immediately, give the page a moment or refresh once more. There's also an alternate route you can use, which is especially helpful for work or school accounts. Click the gear icon again, choose See All Settings, and stay on the General tab. Look for a button that says Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. This option isn't available to everyone, but if you see it, click it. In that panel, uncheck the relevant smart feature options to stop AI-driven functionality specifically controlled by your organization's workspace settings. When you're done, click Save. Gmail will apply those changes, and if needed, it will reload your inbox. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Make sure you're adjusting the correct account if you manage multiple Gmail addresses in the same browser. And remember that some settings can be managed by an administrator on work or school accounts. If a toggle is missing or grayed out, those controls may be restricted. And that's the process. You've successfully turned off Google AI Summaries in Gmail on desktop, and you can always reverse these steps later by returning to the same sections and re-enabling the smart features.